Salman Khan. The most eligible bachelor of Bollywood, Salman Khan was in love with many beautiful heroines in Bollywood. There are lots of rumors and speculations about Bhaijaan's marriage, but it seems like our beloved Bhaijaan doesn't care about getting married. Nargis Fakhri. Rockstar famed actress Nargis is still very much single and unmarried at her 40. Ileana D'Cruz. Ileana broke up with her foreign boyfriend Andrew Newborn in 2019. Now she is still unmarried at 33. Tabu. Tabu looks really charismatic and elegant at 48. She has been leading her single life for quite some years. Randeep Hooda. Talented actor Randeep Hooda thinks marriage is complicated for him and it's a mutual companionship. After dating some Bollywood ladies like Sushmita Sen and Neetu Chandra, Randeep is now single. Katrina Kaif. Bollywood glam diva Katrina is working in Bollywood for last 10 years, but this wonderful lady is still unmarried at her 36. Amisha Patel. Sizzling Amisha had a flop career in Bollywood. She was in live-in relationship with Vikram Bhatt. 43 years old Amisha has no intention of getting married now. Rahul Khanna. This 45 years old rarely seen actor has a huge female fan followers. Vinod Khanna's elder son Rahul is still single. Akshay Khanna. Like elder brother, Akshay is also leading his bachelor life. Akshay has always been a private person and enjoys his own company. Karan Johar. Gay director Karan can't reveal his own preference for this reason. He is still single in this industry. Manish Malhotra. Manish is a celebrity designer of Bollywood who makes expensive and luxurious wedding dresses for actresses. But when it comes to his marriage, Manish keeps himself mum. Sajid Khan. Farah Khan's brother Sajid was in relationship with Jacqueline Fernandez, but breaking up, Sajid never wanted to get married. Uday Chopra. Aditya Chopra's younger brother Uday is still single at his 47. He was in relationship with Shamita Shetty and Nargis Fakhri. Rahul Bose. Most decent and gentle actor Rahul is still leading his single life at 52. He doesn't believe in marriage as he believes in staying together. So it is hard to get a bride who can live with Rahul without legal procedure. Sushmita Sen. Bold and beautiful actress Sushmita is now in live-in relationship with her new boyfriend Roman Shaw. This Bong beauty is now 44 years old, whereas Roman is now 28. This modern couple is now talk of the V-Town. Ekta Kapoor. Director of Balaji Telefilms, Ekta Kapoor is renowned face of Indian television and Bollywood. This director is still single at her 44. Shamita Shetty. Shilpa Shetty's younger sister Shamita Shetty is now 38 and leading her single life. This actress is not at all in a hurry to get married. Tanisha Mukherjee. Kajol is now settled with her family and kids, whereas her younger sister Tanisha is still unmarried at 42. Divya Datta. Divya is still looking forward to her right person with whom she can tie the knot. Now she is absolutely single. Asha Parekh. Veteran actress Asha Parekh has been leading her single life throughout her career.